Welcome back to another Roblox series tutorial, everyone. Today we'll be making a random map chooser, and this was requested by someone. So we'll be going over how to make one, and I thought it would be better if I spent more time explaining how it works, really, because I think when you actually understand how it works, you'll be able to create your own script. So to begin with, we're gonna have to create a couple of assets before we can actually begin scripting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do these couple of things inside of workspace. We're gonna create a simple script. Um, we're not actually gonna write anything in it right now. We'll write the stuff inside of it when we have everything done. So you can create a simple script. You can name it Map Picker if you'd like. Make sure that it's placed in workspace and not anywhere else. We're going to be putting in two number values. I repeat, two number values. And you're going to rename both of these number values to round time and intermission time. Now, you can change the value to have it however you want. So if you don't know how to add a number value, just click the script, click the plus button, and find the number value. Now here we have both of our values. Make sure that you rename them to intermission time and round time. Now for the sake of demonstrating, I'll only be going with 5 seconds, and just keep in mind that these are in seconds, the value. So if you wanted something like 1 minute, you will have to go with 60 seconds. If you wanted, I don't know, anything else, you'd continue putting the amount of seconds. So here we have maps. So what you're going to do is you're going to create the maps that you want. Make sure that each one is put into a model and then put into maps. So for example, if I wanted to add actually one more map, just for the sake of testing, let's say this is going to be my map. Not gonna make it too advanced, so it's just a simple grass plate. Make sure it's anchored. Rename the part if you'd like. I'm gonna rename it to grass. And then I'm going to put a spawn location. So go to model, click spawn, and then put it in your thing, your base plate, or yeah, your plate. And then go to home, click group, rename this model to your map name. So I'm going to rename it to grass, or actually I'll rename it to green. That sounds better. Green. I'm going to put green inside of our maps folder. Now, I'll actually show you what the outcome should look like. So what it should look like when you are finished is something like this. So here it says map chosen, snow, and I renamed one of them to snow. And it should spawn over here. We'll wait 5 seconds like we had it. It'll disappear. We're gonna wait 5 seconds, and it should appear one more time. Okay, so here, this is a the random map chooser. So it could be any of your maps. It could be, I don't know, the third one, second one. So I'll just wait 5 more seconds. The probability of getting snow again is pretty low. And here you can see we have purple. So let's actually get into the scripting part. So in our script that you created, I'm gonna explain what it does, what each line does, and I'll also say it so you can write it down. Now, hold up, okay. So here we have our variables. So here we have local maps equal game.lighting.maps. So here we're creating our path. When we say dot, we're kind of like creating a path for the script. So local maps equal game.lighting.maps. So here we have game. This is our game. Dot lighting. Here we have lighting. Dot maps. Next we have local maps equals maps colon get children. Here we're getting all of our maps. So green, purple, red, and actually rename this to white because the base plate is white. So white. There we go. And next we have our local round time. So that's the time that we have over here. So local round time equals script. That's the parent of this, or just actually this, because we don't have anything on top of it. This is just our script. So script dot round time. So here we have our round time right over here. Um, Next we have local intermission time equals script dot intermission time. So that's our number value called intermission time right over here. And local message equals instance.new hint. Now, if you don't know what a hint is, it's kind of like this little message that appears at the top of the screen. So what we're saying is that message is equal to an instance.new, and that's going to be hint. So here we have while true do, and what while true do is we're creating a loop This will run forever. So while true is our condition. So you can change this to whatever condition you want, but we're going to be going with while true do. Now this is just for the record when you're doing something with while true do, but for this script, make sure that it's set to while true do. Next, we have local chosen map equal maps square brackets math.random side of here curly brackets one hashtag maps. So what this is it's defining to the computer that the chosen map is equal to one of the maps in this folder, and it's going to be math.random. So it'll choose a random map, and over here we say one maps. So this is choosing one of these four maps. So next we have local clone map clone equal chosen map. So here we're cloning our map because so far our map is currently inside of lighting, and we wanted to actually to go into the workspace, but for now we're not actually assigning what parent it has. We're just cloning it. So here we have local map equal chosen map colon clone. Next we have wait intermission time dot value. So this is going to be our intermission time. Now you can like put a lobby or something to put the player in there. Really you can do whatever you want, but message dot or wait intermission time that value. We're just waiting whatever value we have set for intermission time. Our next line, message dot parent equal game dot workspace. Over here we define message as instance dot new. Here we're setting its parent to the workspace, as you can see in the Explorer. Next we have message dot text equal map chosen dot chosen map dot name. So we were saying that the message text, the text right over here, is going to be equal to the chosen map. Um, so here we have message text equals message text equal map chosen dot name and wait 5, and then we're gonna do message dot parent equal game dot lighting. So this is the message. We're setting the parent to lighting. Um, Next we have map clone equal dot parent equals game dot workspace. So here, as I said, over here we just cloned our map, but we didn't actually assign its parent. So we're setting its parent to the workspace. So next we have map clone colon make joins. We're putting our map right into the workspace. So we write map clone colon make joins. Next we have wait round time dot value. Um, Wait round time dot value, that's our number value right over here. It's gonna see the value, and then map clone colon destroy, so it'll destroy the current map. Now I give credits to GamerMate for creating the script, but I thought I would create just what each line actually does, because as I said in the beginning, I thought it would be nice if you can understand the script, because um you can create your own scripts like that. So, yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. I was actually able to create another script, but actually I found that this script was a little bit easier to understand. So I thought that I would go with this one, and once again, credits to GamerMate for creating this script. Now here we have map chosen green. As you can see, we're just testing the game. If you'd like to see, here we have our green base plate map, and then we'll wait 5 seconds. It'll be destroyed, just like we said in the script. And we do etc. We'll continue this process. So yeah, if you like the explanation for this, you can create it. Make sure that you keep notifications on to see any more scripts. Also, I have created other scripts such as the ones for leader stats, auto cache, how to make a punch animation. Those all were for me. So, yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all later.